All right, this is going to be Sister Golden Hair by America. We're going to start out with this C sharp minor chord. We got 6, 6, 5, 4. We're going to go down, 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 up, down, up. I'm going to that one finger A over here, 2, 2, 2. Try to mute the bottom one, get that little angle on that finger there. Now, you could do that whole thing there. It's just a little harder to get to all that. So we got down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So that one had a little up, a little different than this. The next one's going to be just a regular down after that on an E. So we got so the E is going to have a E sus that comes in there, putting the 2 in on the G string. So you got a bum bum dee 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 da dum, and then we got G sharp minor, 6 with 4s. 2 measures of that. C sharp minor again to B, which is the 4s. And then we're going to do an A the normal way, because we need to do an A sus in there. So that's pulling the pinky out of the 2nd string. Back to the A, and then we have a verse. So once again, the whole intro, 2, 3, and... G sharp minor, C sharp minor, B, and then A sus coming up. And then we have our verse, we have an E. 2 measures. Then we have that G sharp minor, 2 measures. Then we're going to have A 1 measure to E. Back to the G sharp minor for 2. Now we have A to F sharp minor, which is 4 with the 2s. And then we're going to have 2 beats each, C sharp minor to G sharp minor, A, sus and back, F sharp minor, A, and E, E sus, and E. So we'll go through all that verse again here. So we go 2, 3, and E, 2 bars. We got G sharp minor for 2. Then we got A to G, G sharp minor for 2. And then we have A to F sharp minor. And then 2 beats each on the minors here. So we've got a C sharp minor to G sharp minor, and then an A to A sus, and then F sharp minor to A, and then E to E sus. Okay, then we got another verse. We'll do all that again. We got A to E, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then we got the minors with the 2 beats each, and F sharp minor to A. Now this time we're gonna have E, E sus, and hit, hit. So we want to stop those chords after each one. Bump, bump. Now we're into the chorus. B twice, A, E, B again twice, A to E. Now we're going to hold the F sharp minor and the G sharp minor, and then that A sus, 2, 2, 0, 0. And then we have an interlude, which is just like the intro. G sharp minor for 2, C sharp minor to B, A with that sus. We got E, G sharp minor for 2, A, E, G sharp minor for 2. We got the A, F sharp minor, and then we got those 2 hits. A to A sus, then F sharp minor to A, E to E sus, and hit chorus again, B, 2 bars, then we got A to E, B again, A to E. Now we're going to hold the F sharp minor and the G sharp minor and the A sus. Now we're to the outro. We got B, 2 bars, A to E. That's going to repeat. Two more times. Now this last time, we're gonna go A, and then we're gonna go dun 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 dun. So that's like a 1 and 2 and. Okay, so that was your outro. Outro was B for 2 bars, A for a bar, and E for a bar. That goes 4 times, and we end with a da 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 dum. So once again in the intro, we had. G sharp minor, 2 bars, C sharp minor to B, and then A sus, back to A. Okay, so that's that C sharp minor part. That's the intro, and that's also that interlude later on. So then we're gonna have the verse, starts on E, 2 bars, G sharp minor, 2 bars, we got A to E, G sharp minor for 2. Then we got A, F sharp minor. 2 hits each on the C sharp minor, G sharp minor, A to A sus real quick. And then we got F sharp minor, A, and then we got that E to E sus. So the first time you just keep strumming that and do another verse, but the second time you're gonna have 2 hits. And then we're into the chorus. B, A to E, B again, A to E. Here's where we hold the F sharp minor, and then the G sharp minor, and the A sus. And then the interlude and next verse is all about the kind of same type of stuff. Let's look at the outro one more time. We got B. We got A to E. So it just does that 4 times, and then say if this was the 4th time, we're gonna have those 4 hits on the E and da 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 dum. Now there's one more thing. We got this cool little lead riff. So that's the 3rd string going from the 11th fret into the 13th. And then 12 on the 2nd string, and then 11 on the bottom. Then you do the same thing, but you're going to end up on a 12 down here. And then slide. And then do one more. Okay, so we got. All right, Sister Golden Hair by America. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Look for more America tunes coming soon. Thanks a lot.